Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to download mods in new Curseforge. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. Below are general steps for downloading mods from Curseforge. Firstly, open your web browser and go to the Curseforge website to make sure you have been logged into your account. Use the search bar on the Curseforge website to find the mod you want. Enter the name of the mod or the game for which you want to download mods. Click on the mod you wish to download from the search results. This will take you to the mods page. On the mods page, review the details, including the mod description, compatibility, and any additional information provided by the mod author. Look for a download button on the mod page. Click on it to initiate the download process. The file will typically be compressed or achieve zip file containing the mod files. Now, some mods have multiple versions available. If the mod author provides various versions, choose the version that is compatible with your game or desired features. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded zip file on your PC. This is often found in your browser's default download location. If the downloaded file is a zip or CHAV, you might need to extract its content using file extraction software or just the built-in extraction button on the folder. This will reveal the mod files that you can't use. Follow any installation instructions provided by the mod author. Typically, you'll need to place the mod files in the appropriate directory within your game's installation folder. And lastly, start or restart the game to see the changes made by the installed mod. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.